Popular Nigerian comedian and actor Mr. Macaroni has reacted to a shocking story about former First Lady, Patience Jonathan. According to report, 15 of her house workers have been jailed since 2019 because of missing jewelry. The story was first shared by Sahara reporters and quickly went viral online. Pictures of the jailed workers also surfaced, and many Nigerians were surprised and angry. Mr. Macaroni, whose real name is Debo Adedayo, took to his ex-handle, formerly known as Twitter, to express how sad and painful the situation is. He wondered if Patience Jonathan even remembers the workers who have been locked up for more than 5 years without any court sentence. He wrote, "The injustice in this country is so painful. According to this report, these men and women have been locked up for over 5 years without a court conviction. Does Madam Patience Jonathan even remember that they are still in prison?" He also spoke against how rich and powerful people sometimes abuse their power by arresting those who cannot fight for themselves. Mr. Macaroni reminded everyone that by law, a person is innocent until proven guilty. His post got a lot of reactions from Nigerians. However, not everyone agreed. Some people said the workers were already taken to court in Port Harcourt and were accused of stealing. They believed justice was being served. While this has generated mixed reactions, you can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.